Chicago is now at the center of a national debate after Donald Trump signaled plans for a federal National Guard deployment in response to recent violence and ongoing immigration concerns.
Chicago, Illinois is a disaster. I have property there. It's a disaster what's going on in Chicago. And you get Pritzker, he's violating our rights. I think this is another men and women's sports thing. I think this is one of those. So I'm thinking about, when I have some slob like Pritzker criticizing us before we even go there. I made the statement that next should be Chicago because, as you all know, Chicago's a killing field right now. And they don't acknowledge it. And they say, we don't need him, freedom, freedom. He's a dictator, he's a dictator. A lot of people are saying maybe we like a dictator. I don't like a dictator. I'm not a dictator. I'm a man with great common sense and I'm a smart person. We go in, we will solve Chicago within 1 week, maybe less, but within 1 week we will have no crime in Chicago, just like we have no crime in D.C.
Governor J.B. Pritzker and Mayor Brandon Johnson immediately condemned the proposal, warning that unilateral military action would violate Illinois' constitutional rights. Their response highlights the tension between federal authority and state sovereignty, a conflict not seen in the city for decades.
What President Trump is doing is unprecedented and unwarranted. It is illegal. It is unconstitutional. It is un-American. No one from the White House or the executive branch has reached out to me or to the mayor. No one has reached out to our staffs. No effort has been made to coordinate or to ask for our assistance in identifying any actions that might be helpful to us. Local law enforcement has not been contacted. We have made no requests for federal intervention. None. Mr. President, do not come to Chicago. You are neither wanted here nor needed here.
Legally, the president cannot send troops into Chicago simply at will. This law requires either the governor's consent or the declaration of a certified emergency under rare circumstances, such as insurrection. Legal experts have pointed out that current conditions do not meet that threshold.
The state of Illinois is ready to stand against this military deployment with every peaceful tool we have. We will see the Trump administration in court. We will use every lever at our disposal to protect the people of Illinois and their rights.
The governor's office has already prepared legal action, ensuring any effort to deploy the National Guard will face immediate challenge in federal court. For Chicago residents, the situation underscores deep concerns about the precedent of federal intervention and the balance of local versus national power. Chicago is waiting on the outcome not just of a legal dispute, but a test of the constitutional work that underpins American governance. The city's future is now tethered to decisions likely to be made in courtrooms rather than on the streets.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC-TV18 on all of our digital platforms.